To build a car detailing website in Wix that looks sleek and books client fast, here's the 2025 guide. Start by choosing a Wix automotive or service template, something clean with bold visuals. Replace demo content with your shop name, logo, and service photos. Add the Book Now button linked to Wix bookings so customers can schedule detailing services online. List your services like interior cleaning, ceramic coating, or paint correction, each with pricing and estimated time. Use strips or sections to separate categories or include before and after galleries for visual proof. Add your contact info, Google Maps, and social links in the footer. Then connect Wix payments to accept deposits or full payments right from your site. Finally, preview it on mobile view to make sure everything looks sharp and loads fast. And that's it. Your car detailing website in Wix is ready for clients. Clean, design, smooth booking, and a pro look perfect for 2025.